to do now the remaining part of 2b exercise in De Moivre's theorem. So let's now take the second section, first problem. Solve the following equation. Solve the following equations. The first bit is x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. X power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is now going to be equal to x power 4 equal to 1. X power 4 minus 1 equal to 0 and x power 4 is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 to the power of 1 by 4. If 1 ni, we'll write it in mod m form. 1 can be written as, so mod m form for 1 is that 1 is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta LCD. R cos theta is equal to 1, r sin theta is equal to 0, r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 square plus 0 square, 1, r is equal to 1. R square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. R square into 1 is equal to 1. Before r square is equal to 1, which gives r is equal to 1. This implies r cos theta is 1 ante 1 into cos theta is 1, cos theta is 1, r sin theta is 0 is 1 into sin theta is 0, sin theta is 0. So cos theta is 1, sin theta is 0. So the principal value of the amplitude theta is 0 degree. So 1 can be written as r is 1 into cos 0 plus I sin 0 is this 0. Okay? One is cos 0 plus I sin 0 whole power 1 by 4. Whole power 1 by 4 అంటే మనకు 4 roots వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఈ 4 roots మనం కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే we'll add 2k pi to the principal value of the amplitude. దీనికి 2k pi యాడ్ చేస్తాం. This is cos of 2k pi plus 0 plus I sin 2k pi plus 0 whole power 1 by 4. This ఇప్పుడు it's in the form of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n can be written as cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So cos n theta 1 by 4 into 2k pi. Cos of k pi into 1 by 4 is k pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4. I sin 2k pi by 4. Where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. X is equal to cos of 2k pi by 4 plus I sin 2k pi by 4, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So k is equal to 0. K equal to 0 means x will be, we get the value of x. When I put k is 0, 2 into 0 into pi by 4 is going to be 0. Plus I into is also going to be 0. Sin cos 0 plus I sin 0 అవుతుంది. So the value is 1. Corresponding to k equal to 0, one root is going to be 1. Let's now put k is equal to 1. When I put k is equal to 1, what is this going to become? 2 into 1 into pi. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 pi by 4 is pi by 2. X is now going to become cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 plus I into 1. This is going to be equal to I. K equal to 1 key corresponding to x value I. Let's now put k is equal to 2. When I put k is equal to 2, x is equal to what? Let's see. When I put k is 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 pi by 4 is cos pi. Cos pi plus I sin pi. Cos pi is minus 1 plus I into sin pi is 0. So this is equal to minus 1. K equal to 2 ki corresponding ga x will be minus 1. Next k equal to 3 pedam. When I put k is equal to 3, x is equal to what? 2 into 3, 6 pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but it is 3 pi by 2. X is equal to cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 plus I into sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. సో ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఐ. కాబట్టి x పవర్ 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Solutions ఏంటి? 1, I, minus 1 and minus I. Okay. Therefore, roots of x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0 are 1, minus 1, I, minus I. Okay. ఎప్పుడైనా రూట్స్ కనుక్కోవాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఆ ఇచ్చిన కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ని, ఇచ్చిన సంఖ్యని మనం మాపాయామ పద్ధతిలో రాసుకుంటాం, మోడాన్ ఫామ్ లో రాస్తాం. రాసిన తర్వాత ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ కి 2k పై యాడ్ చేస్తాం. యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత డిమాస్ థీరం ని అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఓకే. తర్వాత ఇక్కడ 4 అని ఉంది కాబట్టి k విలువలు 0 నుంచి 4 minus 1 అంటే k విలువ 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసి 4 minus 1 వరకు అంటే 0, 1, 2, 3 ఒక విలువ k కి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే మనకి ఒక్కొక్క రూట్ వస్తాం. Let's now do the second problem there. X power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. X power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written as x power 5 is equal to minus 1. And x is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 by 5. X is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 by 5. Modern form lo rase dinni cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5 avutundi. Cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 5. సో మనకి 5 రూట్స్ వస్తాయి, 5 రూట్లు వస్తాయి దీనికి. కాబట్టి పైకి 2k పై యాడ్ చేసుకో. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ 2k పై ప్లస్ పై ప్లస్ I sin 2k పై ప్లస్ పై whole to the power of 1 by 5. This is 2k. I can take 2k common here. Cos of 2k plus 1 into pi plus I sin 2k plus 1 into pi whole power 1 by 5. ఇప్పుడు డిమాస్ థీరం ని అప్లై చేద్దాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? x is equal to cos of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5, 2k plus 1 into pi into 1 by 5. Cos of 2k plus 1 pi by 5 plus I sin 2k plus 1 into pi by 5, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. K is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. K is equal to 0 పెడితే మనకి ఫస్ట్ రూట్ వస్తుంది. X is equal to, and I put k is 0, 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 into pi by 5. Cos pi by 5 plus I sin pi by 5. K equal to 0 అయితే x is equal to cos pi by 5 plus I sin pi by 5. K is equal to 1 అయితే x is equal to 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, cos 3 pi by 5 plus I sin 3 pi by 5. దీన్ని షార్ట్ గా sis pi by 5 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. దీన్ని sis 3 pi by 5 అని రాయొచ్చు. K is equal to 2 పెడితే x is equal to cos 2 into 2 4 plus 1 is 5, cos 5 pi by 5, 5 pi by 5 అంటే ఏంటంటే 5, cos pi plus I sin pi. దీన్ని cos pi is minus 1, I sin pi is 0, minus 1 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు, లేక sis pi అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. K equal to 3 పెడితే 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 pi by 5. X is equal to cos 7 pi by 5 plus I sin 7 pi by 5. దీన్ని sis 7 pi by 5 అని రాయొచ్చు. K is equal to 4 పెడితే 2 into 4 8 plus 1 9. So x will be equal to cos 9 pi by 5 plus I sine 9 pi by 5. This is equal to this 9 pi by 5. 9 pi by 5 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. కాబట్టి రూట్స్ ఏమిటి దీనికి? this pi by 5, this 3 pi by 5, this can be written as 6 pi, or it can also be written as this 5 pi by 5. 5 pi gets cancelled అయిపోతాయి. This 5 pi by 5, this 7 pi by 5, and this 9 pi by 5. So all the roots of the equation x power 5 plus 1 is equal to 2. Minus x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. X power 9 minus x power 5, x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. దీనిలో I'll take x power 5 common here. X power 5 into, it becomes x power 4 minus 1 plus 1 into x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. This is x power 5 plus 1 into x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This gives x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0 is one equation. X power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0 is the other equation. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇప్పుడు మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. రెండింటిని x power 4 minus 1 ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. x power 5 plus 1 equal to 0 also we have solved. So we can do this as homework. Now let's take the fourth bit. Fourth bit also you work out as homework. It is x power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. X power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0 means x power 4 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 by 4. దీన్ని homework గా చేయండి. minus 1 ని మోడర్న్ ఫార్మ్ లో ఎలా రాస్తాం? cos pi plus I sin pi whole power 1 by 4. దానికి 2k pi యాడ్ చేసుకుని De Moivre's theorem ని అప్లై చేయండి. Now exercise 2b ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం. Find all the values of 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. Find all the values of 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. 1 minus I root 3 ni first modern form lo రాద్దాం. 1 minus I root 3 is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 minus I root 3 ని modern form లో r into cos theta plus I sin theta అనుకుంటున్నాం. This gives r cos theta equal to 1, r sin theta equal to minus root 3, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square. 1 plus 3 is 4. This is nothing but r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 4. This gives r square is equal to 4, which gives r is equal to 2. R square is equal to 4, r is equal to 2. Therefore, if I put value of r here, r will we can substitute cheste cos theta is equal to 1 by r ante 1 by 2 I get. Sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by r ante minus root 3 by 2. Cos theta is positive, sin theta is negative. So theta lies in fourth quadrant. Theta is equal to, value of theta lies in the fourth quadrant. Theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Therefore 1 minus I root 3 is equal to r into, r is 2 into cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. Let's first convert this into modern form. 1 minus I root 3 is r into cos theta plus I sin theta r cos theta is equal to 1, r sin theta is equal to minus root 3. R cos theta is 1, r sin theta is minus root 3. Let's square and add both this. R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square. 1 plus 3 is 4. That is r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 4. This gives r square is equal to 4 and r is equal to 2. So when r is 2, cos theta is equal to 1 by r, is 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to minus root 3 by r. Sin theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. So cos is positive, sin is negative. Principal value of theta is minus pi by 3. Therefore, 1 minus I root 3 can be written as r is 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. Okay, 1 minus I root 3 is 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. Now, 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3 is 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. So 1 minus I root 3 is 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3 is 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3 whole power whole to the power of 1 by 3. This is 2 power 1 by 3 into, for this as the power is 1 by 3 we will add 2k pi, cos of 2k pi minus pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi minus pi by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. This is 2 power 1 by 3 into cos of 2k pi minus pi by 3. Take the LCM here. 6k pi minus pi whole divided by 3. 6k pi minus pi whole divided by 3 plus I sin 6k pi minus pi whole divided by 3 to the power of 1 by 3. So this is 2 power 1 by 3 into, apply the De Morgan's theorem, cos of 6k pi minus pi by 9 plus I sin 6k pi minus pi by 9. This is 2 power 1 by 3 into, we can take pi common here, then it becomes 6k minus 1 into pi by 9. Cos of 6k minus 1 into pi by 9 plus I sin 6k minus 1 into pi by 9. So this is 2 power 1 by 3 into this of 6k minus 1 into pi by 9, where k is equal to, as it is a cube root, k values start from 0 and end at 3 minus 1, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2. This is all about the problem number 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. This part we have learnt in the first chapter, complex number, as how to convert a complex number into modern form. 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3 is, we have equated it to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. R cos theta is equal to 1, r sin theta is equal to minus root 3. R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is 1 square plus minus root 3 whole square is equal to 4. R square into cos square theta plus sin square theta is 4, which gives r square is equal to 4. It implies r is equal to, so now we got the value of cos theta. Cos theta is 1 by 2, sin theta is minus root 3 by 2, and theta is minus pi by 3, which satisfies both. Hence 1 minus I root 3 can be written as 2 into cos of minus pi by 3 plus I sin minus pi by 3. We require 1 minus I root 3 whole power 1 by 3. So we raised it to the power of 1 by 3. And then we expanded it. For the principal value of amplitude, we have added 2k pi 2. Then we simplify. This is the first problem, first bit. Then we have the second problem, minus I whole power 1 by 6. Second problem is minus I whole power 1 by 6. Minus I whole power 1 by 6. Minus I in modern form is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So r cos theta is equal to 0. R sin theta is equal to minus 1. R square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta is equal to 0 square plus minus 1 whole square. This gives r square is equal to minus 1 whole square is 1, which implies r is equal to 1. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 0 by r, it is 0 by 1, it is 0. Sin theta is equal to minus 1 by r, minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. Therefore, theta is minus pi by 2. Principal value of theta is minus pi by 2. Therefore, minus I can be written as r is 1 into cos of minus pi by 2, cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2. Cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2. This is the modern form for minus I. Now we have to find out minus I whole power 1 by 6. Minus I whole power 1 by 6 is 1. There's no need to multiply it with 1. It is cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin minus pi by 2 to the power of 1 by 6. So to find all the 6 roots here, we need to add 2k pi to the principal value of amplitude. This is cos of 2k pi minus pi by 2 plus I sin 2k pi minus pi by 2 to the power of 1 by 6. So 2k pi minus pi, it is 4k pi minus pi whole divided by 2. It is cos of 4k pi minus pi whole divided by 2 plus I sin 4k pi minus pi whole divided by 2 power of 1 by 6. Now, I can take pi common here. Take pi common, it becomes 4k minus 1 into pi by 2. So this is cos of 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 plus I sin 4k minus 1 into pi by 2 to the power of 1 by 6. Now apply De Morgan's theorem. When you apply De Morgan's theorem, it's going to become cos of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12 plus I sin 4k minus 1 into pi by 12 is equal to this of 4k minus 1 into pi by 12, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is about minus I whole power 1 by 6. Then we have 1 plus I whole power 2 by